Hi, my name's Jess, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 favourite features of Canva, specifically for teacher entrepreneurs, online teachers, tutors, teacher business owners. Canva is going to be your best friend. Let's go. Canva is a free to use online website that will help you design social media graphics, posters, presentations, lectures, digital products. It's very popular, used by both in classroom and online teachers, but as well it can help you with the marketing side of your business, creating graphics for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of that kind of stuff. It's very simple to use, which is why I love it so much. But be warned, it's super addictive. Right at the beginning of my journey, I would spend hours on Canva because that's where I thought my energy should go because I was enjoying it. But in reality, spending hours on Canva isn't going to help you make more sales in your business, but it is a good tool that you can use. Now in today's video, I'm only going to show you what you can use with the free version of Canva because I know a lot of you are at the beginning of your online business, so I want to share with you the free tools that you can use. With Canva, there is a free and pro version. Within the pro version, you have access to more graphics and more tools that you can use, but you don't need the pro version. You get a lot on the free version, and I'm going to share all free tools for you today. But let's get right into it on my 5 favorite features. The first feature that I love within Canva is when you go to search for an element. So in the side, you'll click on elements. Let's say you wanted to put a graphic on your social media post. I'm going to click on graphic, and then you can search for whatever you want. Let's say I'm searching for a dog. Now some of these will have on a crown in the corner, and that means that you have to pay for this certain graphic or sign up to the pro version. And when you put it on your graphic, it'll say remove watermarks, so you can't use it if you have just the free version of Canva. What I found at the beginning was it took me a while to search through all the elements to find a free graphic that I wanted to use. So I have 2 codes for you linked down below. You want to copy it and paste it in, and it will only bring up the free elements, the free graphics. This means you're not spending so long looking through all of the things that you can't get on your free account, and it just saves you so much time. So every single one of these graphics now is free. The next feature I like to use is if you are selling a digital product online and you want to create a social media post about it, maybe for your Instagram or your Facebook page, and when you just take a picture of your digital product, let's say it's a PDF, it doesn't look like that appealing. Let me give you an example. This is a quarterly planner that I have available as part of one of my packages. So if I was just like, here is a quarterly planner, it kind of just looks not very good. It doesn't look very realistic. But one thing you can do is click on the image, so print screen or screenshot the PDF itself, and then upload it to Canva. You want to go over here to edit image, and then you're going to use this tool called shadows. And I personally prefer to use glow, as it just makes your image pop just a little bit. It makes it look more real. I like to use glow or drop. I think those two just make it look a little bit nicer. And then you want to click apply, and it will look like that. And as you can see here, I've added the images of my PDFs just on this graphic here, just to make them stand out a bit more, just to make it look a bit more nicer, that's all. Another thing you can do if you're selling digital products is this example right here. This is an iPad. So how you do that is you want to go onto elements and then type in frame, and if you scroll down just a little bit, this one right here is the iPad, and you just want to drag it and drop it on there so it looks like it is on an iPad. It looks like you can use it. You can also do this for a computer or a laptop. These ones look a bit more simple. You can use the smart mockup feature to create these, which look a little bit more realistic. So instead of dragging and dropping, what you want to do is take a picture of, let's say, your course or your lesson. And by take a picture, I mean screenshot it on your computer. And once you've screenshotted it, this is from my course, this is the curriculum, and I want to make it look like this is on a computer. I'm going to go to edit image, smart mockup, and then I'm going to pick a computer. Let's just do this laptop. Hit apply, and then it looks like my curriculum is on my computer. And I just think it's such a wonderful tool to promote and share your products and services without them looking kind of rubbish. So that's an example, and you know, that's what it will look like if you put a few together. My third favorite feature of Canva is that you can upload a PDF onto Canva, and you will be able to edit it on Canva and like add their elements and things. So before, I've always created things in Google Docs and that kind of downloaded them as a PDF, but I wanted to add, you know, something else to it, make them look a bit nicer. So what I'm going to do is directly upload the PDF onto Canva, and how you do that is simply just drag and drop. So I'm going to drag my PDF over here, I'm going to open it up, and it automatically changes it into a PDF, and I just think that's really a cool feature. I love that feature. Another feature that I think is great with Canva is you can present and record your presentations, lessons in Canva itself, and you can also look at the notes as you're presenting. So I'll show you how to do that. You want to first of all create a presentation. This is just a template that I've found on Canva. I'm going to go up to this present button in the top right hand corner. I'm going to click down, and you want to click present and record. If you want your notes to come up as you're presenting, let's say you have notes, click on notes down here, and you'll be able to add them to each of your slides. And then when you do present, if I click present and record, your notes are going to show up on the side. So I'm going to go to recording studio, and here you're just going to select your camera. So it's my laptop camera over here, and my microphone. I'm going to click start recording. And here I am recording my presentation. Your notes, as you can see, are on the right hand side. You just can use the arrows on your keyboard to go through your presentation. I'm looking at so many different cameras right now. It's crazy. So yeah, you can just present this, talk through it, la 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 la. This down here is kind of small, that's the only thing, but it's bearable and it's usable. You can click pause if you want, and then once you have finished, click end recording. And there are two ways that you can grab this recording. The first one is you can download it to your laptop. The second way is you can share a link with your clients or your students, your customers. Let's say you just wanted to present something for 30 seconds and you were just telling them something or teaching them something. You could record it here on Canva and then just send them the link so that they can watch it in their own time, instead of sending a file that can take up a lot of storage for both you and your student. You can simply just copy this link, send that link to them, so it will send your student to this presentation that you've recorded, and there you go. They can watch it directly from their laptop wherever they are. And these little buttons here show when you've clicked through as well, which I like that. And your student can also watch it in whatever speed they prefer. Now, personally, I watch everything in 1.5 speed. I think it's kind of a bad habit that I've got into, because now I have to watch Netflix and YouTube in 1.5. I don't know, anything else, just I can't concentrate for that long. So I like that feature. And you can send that directly to your students. Great feature. You can also, as I said, just download it straight to your laptop. Another feature I like to use is adding my links into my digital products. So how you do this is you obviously create a digital product. This could be a freebie for your audience, or it could be a paid product, but let's say you wanted to add a link to another program or to your website or to your Instagram page. What you want to do is click on where you want to add the link. So I'm just going to add it to the title. You want to go up here to these two like link symbols, and then you can type in your link. So let's say I want this to go to my Instagram. You can also link to different documents, which I think is kind of cool. And there you have it. So when you download this, even if you're like offline, your link is embedded into those words. So once I download it and I click on it, it's going to open up whatever link that you put on there. So that's great if you have something free which you are giving to your audience and you want it to lead into a course or a lesson or something else that you are selling. Let me know down below if you have a feature that you like to use Canva for. I'm obsessed with it. I still am addicted to it years later. Let me know below if you have any Canva tips or tricks that you want to share with us. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!